Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to import videos in CapCut. Let's begin. Importing videos into CapCut on mobile is a simple process that is a crucial step for any editing project. Whether you are creating content for social media, YouTube, or a personal project, importing videos is the first step to get started with editing. Alright, because for one, you can't begin editing your video until you have imported your footage. Importing videos lets you organize and access them for cutting, trimming, adding effects, and more. So once you open the CapCut app, I want you to click the new project if you haven't already to begin your work and start from scratch. But if you have already a project in place, just click on it. And then for you to be able to import the videos here, it's kind of easy. All I have to do is click the add overlay or overlay section, and then click the add overlay. What will happen is if you do that, you will be forwarded to the section wherein you can import your videos, your own footage here. Just select any of the following, for example, this, and click on add. It's up to you. Another option that you can do is go to the library section. If you want to import videos from the CapCut itself, for example, let's click on party. Let's see what we got. For example, this party right here. If you want to import this, just click on it and click on add. It will be added to our video here. It's kind of easy, really. All right. And then once we're happy with this, you can basically delete this. Can choose to put the video here. Going to delete that and add another video. We can do that again. And then set the motion in place. Rearrange the video. Where do you want to put it? For example, in this case, I'm gonna put it here. And once you're happy with that, you can add more videos along the way by placing a video by clicking on the add overlay. It's kind of really a straightforward process. Now, once you have added and imported all the videos that you want, it's now time to click the export button on the top right corner to see that if you want to share this to social media platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, since we have already imported videos in our project, or if you want to save a copy of it to send to your client for feedback, you are welcome to do so. All right. Importing videos here in CapCut is a straightforward process and it's very easy. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.